Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when the show smaller taskbar buttons option is missing or not available in Windows 11. This feature allows you to make the taskbar smaller, reduce icon size, and give you more screen space, especially useful on smaller displays. So if the option is not showing on your PC, follow these simple steps step by step. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From left side, click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates. If updates are available, download and install all updates. This feature is only available in the latest Windows 11 updates, so updating your PC is very important. After installing updates, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, again open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now from the left side, click on Personalization. After that, scroll down and click on Taskbar. Now scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Here you will find different taskbar options. Look for the option called Show Smaller Taskbar Buttons. Now click on the drop-down menu. You can select Never, Always, or when the taskbar is full. Choose Always. As soon as you enable it, the taskbar icons will become smaller and the task height will also reduce. No restart or sign out is required. So that's how you can fix the missing Show Smaller Taskbar Buttons option and enable the smaller taskbar in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.